cheese. I'm ready to do a food review on Destiny's fried rice. That guy right here, you know, some of y'all seen it on Hubby. I'm doing this food review on that because the first time I tried them, I went there when they first opened. The line was long. You know, the customer service was mediocre. I stood in line for an hour. Then when I get to the counter, I got to wait on my food another hour, and it was all horrible. But years later, people say they got better, so I went and tried them out again. Now I got vegetable fried rice, eggs, bean sprouts, white onions, green onions, good red, uh, peppers here, a little soy sauce on it. To the soy sauce, probably a little sweet, a little bit more. All right, now let me try it. It's the vegetable fried rice. And it look fried dark. It look good. Here we go. I give it a 5 out of 5. It's alright. And I guess it got a little better. I guess, but you know the egg rolls, the veggie egg rolls. They kind of small, but they alright. I guess. Try one. The spring roll. A little sweet and sour. Veggie egg rolls trash. Small too. Like I don't know if they made these or not.